This video will show you how to best use the Smeg Coffee Grinder. Firstly, add beans into the empty hopper. Ensure that the beans are as fresh as possible, and ideally only pour in as many as you intend to use to ensure the best tasting coffee. Next, select the grind level. This will depend on the type of machine you are using to make your coffee. For espresso machines, you will need a fine grind, and for drip filter coffee machines, you will require a coarser grind. To change the grind level, twist the grinding adjustment lever to the right or left, so that the indicator meets the grinding level required. The grind can also determine how strong the coffee becomes. If you prefer a slightly weaker espresso, you could try grinding on a slightly coarser setting. Experiment with the grind level until you find the perfect level for your needs. Be sure not to alter the grind level whilst the machine is in operation. Now decide on the quantity of coffee needed. There are 8 preset programs to help grind the perfect amount of coffee. These range from a single and double shot quantity, up to 12 cups worth, and even a manual function for continuous grinding. For larger quantities, there is a grounds container included. This sits on the plate at the base of the grinder and allows coffee to be ground directly into the container. This is perfect for when making multiple coffees for use in a drip filter coffee machine or to use later. It's also possible to grind directly into the filter holder with pre-programmed quantities for single or double shots of coffee. Firstly, place a centering filter into the support on the plate at the base of the machine. This will help to keep the filter holder level and in place during grinding. Position the filter holder under the dispensing cone. Select either program 1 or 2. 1 for a single shot, 2 for a double shot. These are weighed specifically for the required quantity of coffee needed. Press the start button to begin grinding. For all preset programs, the grinding will end automatically. Alternatively, press the same button to stop when required. Remove the filter holder and continue with your usual coffee preparation. Whilst the functions offer preset quantities of ground coffee, depending on your personal taste, the preset amount of ground coffee can be increased or decreased, allowing you to customise the different functions to your requirements. To do this, select your required grinding level and the program you wish to customise. Press and hold the start button until it has produced the amount of ground coffee required. Then release the button. On releasing the button, grinding stops. The light ring stops flashing and the new setting is memorised. To enter the manual mode, twist the dial to the M and press start. This enables the grinder to produce a continuous amount of ground coffee until the button is pressed again to stop. You are now ready to enjoy your perfect cup of coffee. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel.